I am going to show you some Snapchat filters which are new, and name of those filters: Snowy Hearts. This is gradient sunglasses. You can tap and you can change these glasses. Sunset, autumn vibes, falling likes, Leo glasses, bokeh hearts mood, glitter star cap. You can change the color of this cap. Then blue bandana, sparkling transition. When you will flip like this, it will get changed. Oh, it will turn black. If you will tap it, this is sparkling transition. Dog and cat, love you frame, red roses crown, glass set, then I heart you, collage with sparkle, eyes in frames, lace ears, custom collage. That was falling star. This is sparkle sparkle bear, shine bright, green collage, rainbow hair, anime style, baby. You can explore for more and you will find here sunrise movement, then sunset. Then there are more filters like go stylish, tap tap tap, go stylish. Then there are filters like colorful segmentation, massive nose ring. These are commonly used filters. Periwinkle by Nick. Then equations by Vivek Thakur. You will find different filters in this tab called face, and you can find new filters. Blue eyes, love frame, you can find under trending different filters for you. And in world you will find these type of filters. You can see elephant, unicorn, flowers, diplodocus, magic deer, Lion. Lion by Gallant Rock. Whoa. Then Dancing Fairy. There are horror filters too. Goodest Boy. Look for cat or dog. These filters are for applying over cats or dogs. Romantic Squirrel. Stars Around. Giraffe. You can make it small or big. Then Scary Spider. Look for the spider.